Yeah. Got it out, Dad. Figured you'd want to see it. So they had to come do it with a payloader, which leaves it a little funky and pulls me off to the side, wanting to pull me back into the snowbank, but hopefully that'll beat down before the next snowfall this weekend. So we are gonna have to take care of that one by ourselves. Yeah, figured I'd show you coming down the driveway a little bit. Cleared out a lot of these trees on the side here, but there's a drainage ditch over there on that side. Over there it's all woodlands. But I was gonna bring you down here about the halfway point and show you. This area right here tends to get a little bit of snow drift that can be a little high. That's over my waist there. 4-foot markers for plowing so I don't fly off the road. But I don't know if you could see me. That's how tall it is. After they come through there and plowed it down to that.